Now, life is not always friendly. In fact, in this case, it isn't friendly either, in that if you collide with an asteroid, your spaceship's going to disappear and die. So we have to create a rule to make that happen. Let's go first to the scenes here. So I'm going to click on scene, and I'm going to create a new scene, and I'll call that scene You Lose. And now you may already know how to do all this stuff, and if you do, go ahead and just zip ahead. But if you need some refreshment, this video will help you with that. Then I'm going to go to my images here. And I have a lose image that I created in Canva, so you'll need to create an image yourself. It is not built into Space Rocks here. So I have it down here, and I just drag it here like that. And I want to maybe be a little careful so I can see it. And I did all this in Canva, and if you can see here, it's a little too big, so I'm going to have to shrink it down a bit on the corner there. And even shrink it a little bit more, it looks like. There we go. Try and put that in about the center. A little bit smaller. I can see the center. And there it is. That's the You Lose. That's the You Lose scene. Woohoo. And then it should create an actor, and there it is right there, automatically, called Lose, and that grabs that actor from the image. Now let's do the code for it. So we're going to go into our spaceship here, and we're going to create a new rule. And we'll call this rule collide with asteroid. How about destroy when collide with asteroid? So destroy when collide with asteroid. D-E-R-O-I-D. Perfect. All right. Now, when it overlaps or collides with an actor of type, and I tagged all my asteroids as asteroids. So make sure all your asteroids are tagged as such. So if I go and pop this guy out here, you'll see that my asteroid is tagged as asteroid. My medium one and my small one, they're all tagged as asteroid. That way, when I do things like this, I can say anything that's tagged with asteroid, if it collides with it, something's going to happen. And in this case, two things are going to happen. First is we're going to change the scene. Actually, we're going to do something before that even. We're going to destroy the actor. So destroy the actor. I'm going to put that above here. And then change scene. And the scene I'm going to change to is You Lose. And that should do it. Let's test it out here. So here's our game. And when I zip into it, yep, there it goes to You Lose. So of course now I want to be able to get back to the game. Right now I click and just nothing happens and I'm stuck, so that's no fun. So let's go back to here. And we're going to go to this new actor, this lose actor here. We're going to do a new rule. And I'm going to call this rule play again. Play again. There we go. And I think I'll just go ahead and delete this condition here. And I'm just going to have it play again after like 3 seconds. So I'm going to create a timer. And then every 3, and you can set this to what you want, but 3 is about right. It gives enough time for people to read it and then get ready to play. And then after 3, every 3 seconds, or I can even do it after 3 seconds, but it doesn't really matter. So let's see, go here, and then I'm going to go change scene. And I want to change scene right back to the main scene. To the main scene right there. And that should do it. Let's test it out. Here's my spaceship. Hope it gets hit. 1, 2, 3. And there we are back again. All right, go ahead and set it up so that you can lose, but then start the game again.